What's going on, guys? This is gonna be sort of a Eastern Front themed video. It rarely ever snows here, and the other day we got nearly 14 inches of snow. And I actually made a video just like this last time it snowed, which was probably 2 years ago, I don't remember. This time I'm gonna do the same exact thing except better, which is try to see if the muzzle blast in the snow reveals your position. Last time I made the mistake of just keeping all the cameras on me, when really I should have put a camera down range to see if you could actually see it from a distance, which would be more like an actual combat situation, like the enemy soldier being the camera down range. So I'm going to take my Mauser, get in a position in the snow and take some shots, and we'll see if my camera downrange can pick up my position just from the muzzle blast blowing the snow away. So imagine it's December 1941 on the Eastern Front, and we're gonna lay down some rifle fire with our Mauser at some enemy Russian positions downrange. Well, it doesn't look like we had too much snow displaced from the muzzle blast. Although the snow does look a little roughed up, I didn't see anything flying anywhere. So that's what happened to our snow. Just a little roughed up, but nothing too major. I've changed positions, and I piled a little bit of extra snow up. Let's see if that makes any difference. So anyways, I'll just set up the downrange camera over here at my 100-yard spot and see if you guys can see me in this camera. I'm not gonna tell you where I'm at. We'll just see if the camera can pick it up. So over here from the Russian soldier's perspective, looks like we got a hit behind our camera. One right here in front. Oh, and look at that. There's a piece of jacket. That's awesome. Just sitting right there in the snow. And then we got a couple hits down here. And you can see it just flung dirt or mud all over the place. So with only a couple inches of snow left, we're getting more mud and dirt splatter than snow splatter. There's one of our impacts. Pretty massive crater. Alright, I think we've touched up enough on that subject. I highly doubt there was enough snow displaced to reveal your position, especially at further than 100 yards. So now instead of the muzzle blast, we're going to see how much snow is displaced from the bullet impact. And first up, we're just gonna shoot some regular soft fluffy snow just like it fell. And after that, I've got a little pile of compacted snow to see if that makes any difference. So first up, regular soft fluffy snow. Not too much. And now my pile of compacted snow. That made a huge difference. Let's try that compacted snow one more time. You can definitely see some snow flying around with that. But if it's just the regular soft fluffy snow, the 8mm doesn't really kick up too much. So there's just one last thing I'm gonna try in this video. Let's see if a shotgun can kick up the fluffy snow. Even then, with some bird shot, we still didn't get that much snow kicked up. Kind of seems like the only way to fling the snow all over with a bullet impact is if it's compacted. At least with small arms fire, I'm sure something large like a tank round or an artillery shell or some type of explosive obviously is going to throw snow all over the place. But just with your standard rifle fire, it seems like it's not going to kick up much snow unless it's been compacted from maybe troop movement or something along those lines. Let's take a quick look at my shooting range while it's still covered in snow. The snow has melted a lot. It was 14 inches yesterday. Now we're probably at 3, maybe 4 inches max. Sure is pretty, isn't it? Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to check out my last snow displacement test from a couple years ago and compare the results with this and see what you think. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was actually pretty fun rolling around in the snow shooting some guns. And if there's any other thing you guys want to see specifically, just make sure to let me know. But anyways, that's all for now, and as always, thanks for watching.